A poor farmer sitting under a tree, looking sad. Hot sa gaon main garib kisan rehta tha. Din bhar mehnat karta, lekin har main kabiroti puri nahi hoti thi. Socha, dang kam hai, lekin bhakti se bada dan aur kya. Har subah sham wo sharadha se puya path karne laga, bhayan gungunane laga. Show him lighting a diya, smiling with faith. Farmer working in field again, but this time smiling and confident. Narasyun, Krishna, iuski bhakti se prazan ho khaya. Diere kisan ki fasal achione lachi. Khanwala uski isat karne lache. Kharebi doro khaya. Farmer now happy with family. Offering prasad to Krishna. Narration. Message on screen. Sahi Shraddha aur puja se insaan ka jivan badal jata hai. Dani wahi hota hai jo bhakti main danwaan ho.